Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got few more products for modification. Let's check out these products and install it. Also, hope you have subscribed to the channel, because we have close to 200 videos and you might miss on them. Earlier, we have installed ADV crash guard on our Pulsar 220 from HT Exhaust. And this is top rack and backrest from HT Exhaust. Let's start with the installation. The installation is extremely easy, as we need to remove this 4 bolts, and remove the grab rails. The top rack fits extremely easily, on the same place with the same bolts. Post the top rack is installed, this is how the backrest will fit upon it. The backrest is also removable, whenever needed. Here's the final look, and it just looks awesome. Its build quality is extremely premium, and the load bearing capacity is very high. And would definitely recommend this to all.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby.